If you don't like sweating through summer but still dread chilly winters, then PortaSplit's got your back, hot or cold. The Midea PortaSplit isn't your average portable AC. This 4-in-1 powerhouse cools, heats, dehumidifies, and ventilates, so you're covered no matter the weather. With a punchy 12,000 BTU cooling capacity, it chills rooms up to 42 square meters, and heats them too, thanks to its efficient heat pump. Homeowners rave about how quietly it runs, just 39 decibels in silent mode, so it won't keep you up at night. Setup is a breeze. No drilling or tricky tools, just connect the indoor and outdoor units with its flat hose and plug it in. The Smart Home app lets you control it from your couch, and you'll love the energy efficiency. A++ for cooling means lower bills. Downsides? The hose can be a bit stiff, and cooling big open spaces is a challenge. But for most homes, it's a game changer. Want comfort all year with zero hassle? Check out the Midea PortaSplit. Your living room will thank you.